You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
What if you could hand off every part of your content creation, from research to repurposing, to an AI team that sounds exactly like you? If that sounds like a dream, I've got news for you. I just built it. See, most coaches and course creators I know are drowning in a content to-dos. You're filming, you're writing, you're emailing, you're editing, and trying to keep up with Instagram, YouTube, maybe a podcast too. But recently, I built an entire AI content team that handles all of that for me and my students inside my AI marketing team program. And today, I'm pulling back the curtains. I'm Kristen, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from overwhelmed and inconsistent in my content to completely supported by a trained AI team that now powers my content across every channel. And you'll see exactly who's on the team, what each role does, and how this system can save you 10 plus hours a week without hiring a big team or losing your voice in the process. Let's start with your new AI research powered by AI. This is the AI research assistant. You give it a simple prompt, who you serve, what transformation you help them with, and it comes back with a full report for you. Who your ideal clients are Googling, what they're struggling with now, what they're hoping for, what content they're craving from someone like you that aligns with what you're doing in your business. The first time I use this myself, I entered a simple phrase like, I help coaches create more content. And what came back blew my mind. It wasn't just surface level stuff. It was full of real questions. How do I keep ghosting my audience when life gets busy? How do I know what to say every single week? It was like my dream clients inside that research wrote me a letter. See, this is your shortcut to deeper empathy, connection with your audience without spending hours in DM or interviewing your list or market research rabbit holes. I don't know about you. I don't want to spend time doing that. Whenever I need research, I reach for my content, my custom buyer's blueprint. So that's the first assistant I always reach for, not just for content, but for a lot of things. So now, once you do this, exactly what your audience needs to hear. But how do you create content that actually meets them? That's where the content strategy generator comes in next. This is your AI strategist. It takes those audience insights and builds you a content roadmap designed to move people toward trust, action, and conversion. You feed it that audience report and outcomes a plan that includes educational content to position you as an authority, belief-shifting content to reframe objections, behind the scenes, that content that helps build the trust, and win stories that validate you and your process. I used to sit at a desk every single day, every single week with a blank Google Doc and just hope that ideas would hit. Or I go out to YouTube and scroll through there and spend hours gathering ideas. It was like, I don't know. I would just wonder, hope, pick. Now, instead of doing that, I run this strategy generator. It gives me 30 to 40 topic ideas that actually align with my offers, my style, and my audience's journey. It's like hiring a top-tier content strategist who already gets your business. This ends the what should I create spiral. It gives you a system, not just ideas. Okay, so You got those killer content ideas, but how do you turn those videos, into videos that people actually want to watch? This is your AI script writer, trained to turn any video into a 5-part, high retention script. You give it that topic, the top target audience, short description, whatever came out of that content plan. It's ready to go. What does it do? It analyzes it, gives you a clickable title, strong thumbnail idea, intro that hooks, structured story-based body, and a clear, satisfying call to action. Before this, I would sit there, either wing it, which ended up me rambling all over the place. I'd be over script, sounding robotic. Now, I just put these 3 things in and I get a quick, full brand script in just minutes. And my favorite part, it's in my own tone, warm, direct, no fluff. So this is your shortcut to high-performing videos that feel natural without hiring a copywriter or spending hours writing that script. So your script's done. What's next? It's time to film and publish fast. This is where tool number 4, this is not an agent that I created, but I used a script. Your video done in minutes. This tool is your video editor, caption creator, publisher all in one. Upload your video, edit the text like a doc, add captions, fix your sound, make sure your eyes are looking forward, click publish, done. And it publishes it right to YouTube. Even better, I've got the transcript right there, ready to go to help me create even more content. Here's the backstory. One night, I was in bed and realized I hadn't uploaded my weekly YouTube video. I opened my laptop, dragged in that file, cut 3 awkward pauses out of it, made sure my eyes were looking for, and I clicked publish, all within 5 minutes. Old me would have stayed up hours trying to edit an iMovie, only to end up feeling so frustrated, so burned out, so tired. So you see, this is how you remove all the friction from video production and stay consistent without burnout. And what's even better, you can hand it off to an assistant on your team and they can do it for you with just a few clicks of a button. But what if that one video could be your entire content week? This is the final piece. The agents that take that and repurpose your video or your podcast into everything else that your brand needs. This is your repurposing dream team. From your transcript, that AI marketing content creation marketing team creates a full-blown blog post that's AI SEO friendly, a podcast episode summary, a YouTube description, a high-converting email, social content for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and more, all tailored to your brand voice. See, I handed the system to my VA, and within a week, she messaged me saying, I just gained back 10 hours. Everything's done already. And the best part, I was showing up on every platform without touching half of them. This is how you finally scale your content and stay visible without scaling your team or burning out your virtual assistant. So let's recap. AI finds your audience deepest needs. That's one assistant we build. AI builds a strategic content plan to reach them. That's a second assistant we build for you. You get high converting script in minutes using Descript. And well, that's another one that we build for you. Then we actually film and publish fast with Descript. And AI, the next set of AI assistants, all repurpose your one video into a full week of content and more. It could be months worth of content that you can use over and over again. And you didn't just build a team. You built a system that lets you do it all while you love showing up like a pro across every platform. If this video gave you a yes, I need that, drop a comment below and let me know which part of the AI content team you'd build fast. And if you want to build this entire set of AI assistants trained and designed just for your own personal use, or you want access to the script tool I mentioned, just comment, hook me up, and I'll send you the details. Don't forget to like and share this video with a fellow creator and subscribe for more ways to make your content work smarter, not harder.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.